Hi, I'm Jeff Garrard. I'm the owner of Narooma Stainless. We specialise in the manufacture of stainless steel equipment for the commercial, industrial and domestic applications. We've been servicing the South Coast with high quality stainless steel fabrications for almost 20 years. And we've been supporting the club, restaurant, cafe, supermarket industry with high quality stainless steel fit outs. To meet the food standards, we've been cleaning our stainless steel welds with the EASYkleen system. It's easy to use and provides a high quality finish, always reliable and never a problem with it. We've found it a lot more efficient and a lot easier to use than the old AC system that we used to use. So being on the coast, electropolishing is essential for long lasting and longevity for our stainless steel products. The EASYkleen system with its DC only output provides cleaning, electropolishing and passivation all at once, which gives you the best chance of corrosion protection on your welds, and it looks good too. Even though the EASYkleen is electropolishing, we're still able to match finishes such as 2B, number 4, right up to mirror. And it's been a huge time saver for us, just so efficient. If you're in fabrication, I highly recommend this product. Since we've been using it, I just could not consider going back to what we used to do.